So thus we found Thevenin's voltage as 65 volt. The next step is to find the Thevenin's impedance, that is RTH. Let me see the question. So normally in a network, to find Thevenin's impedance, all the voltage sources should be short circuited and all the current sources should be open circuited to find RTH. But in the question they have given dependent voltage source. So it depends on the current I1 which is passing through 10 ohms. So we cannot find like that method, using that method. So we have to use this formula, that is RTH equal to VTH by short circuit current. So we have to use this formula to find the Thevenin's impedance. So let me draw the circuit. This is a dependent voltage source in series with resistance. Here the terminals AB should be short circuited to find short circuit current. So this is 5 amps, 10 ohms. Ohms. So the terminals AB is short circuited now. This is short circuit current ISC. We have to find this current to find Thevenin's impedance. So let me differentiate this term as I1 dash. Okay. So to find the short circuit current, let me apply Kirchhoff's current law for node 1. This is node 1. So we know Kirchhoff's current law, that is sum of incoming currents equal to sum of outgoing currents. This is incoming current, this one is outgoing, this one is outgoing. So 5 amps equal to I1 dash plus this branch current is short circuit current. So let me take this as first equation. Then applying Kirchhoff's voltage law for loop 2. So here we are considering Kirchhoff's voltage law. This is ISC current. So we know Kirchhoff's voltage law is sum of voltage drop to equal to sum of voltage rise. So here two resistances are there. One is 2 ohms, another one is 10 ohms. So 2 into ISC plus 10 I1 dash, sorry, minus, because this is opposite direction, that is equal to 3 I1 dash, that is voltage rise. So simplifying this, 2 ISC minus 13 I1 dash equal to 0. So let me take this as second equation. So we are considering this two equation to find ISC. Now we are eliminating this I1 dash. So from first equation, I1 dash equal to 5 minus ISC. So we are using this to substitute in second equation. So in second equation, 2 ISC minus 13 into, we are substituting I1 dash, that is 5 minus ISC equal to 0. So simplifying this, 2 ISC minus 65 plus 13 ISC equal to 0. So therefore 15 ISC equal to 65. So short circuit current ISC equal to 65 by 15. So what is the formula? RTH equal to VTH by ISC. So already we found VTH as 65 volt. So Thevenin's impedance RTH equal to VTH by ISC. VTH is 65 volt. Short circuit current is 65 by 15. So 65 gets cancelled. So Thevenin's impedance equal to 15 ohms. Now see the question. Thevenin's voltage we found 65 volt. Thevenin's impedance we found 15 ohms. So option B is correct one. 65 volt in series with 15 ohms. Next.